You already studied basic radical. Today we are going to study acidic radicals. The radicals having negative charge are called acidic radical. They are also known as anions. The reason is that the negatively charged particle during electrolysis, anode is positive, cathode is negative. This negative particle go to anode during electrolysis time. That is why these negative ions are called anions. Now, 34 radical, what you studied, that is 10 simple radicals and 24 compound radicals are helpful to understand this portion easily. The examples what is given in your textbook, page number 49. You know all these radicals, what is kept here are monovalent. That means their valency is 1. We are going to study first monovalent. Hydride, monovalent radical. Therefore, hydrogen, when the symbol is H, this hydrogen can accept one electron. That is written like this. H plus E means hydrogen accepts electron. If then attains a negative charge, when it accepts one electron, hydrogen gets a negative charge and represented as H minus. Now the valency can be written as, valency of this radical hydrogen can be written as minus 1. Now take the next example, chloride. Chloride symbol is Cl. Cl can accept one electron, therefore Cl plus electron. And then once it accepted the electron, it can be written as Cl minus. Therefore, the valency of chlorine, since it is chloride, since it is accepting one electron, can be written as minus 1. Next one is bromide. The symbol of bromide is Br. Br accept one electron, therefore it can be written as Br minus. Now the valency of bromide, it can be written as minus 1. Iodide symbol is I. Iodide accept one electron, get converted to I minus. The valency can be written as minus 1. Fluoride. Fluoride symbol is F. It accepts one electron and convert it into F minus. Since it is accepting electron, in the valency can be represented as minus 1. Another example, nitrite. The formula is NO2. Since you studied all the symbol and the valencies, it is very easy to understand this portion. The formula is NO2. One nitrogen atom and 2 oxygen atoms are present in this radical, and it is a group of atoms, and that can accept one electron. Therefore, it can be written as NO2 minus. Therefore, the valency is minus 1. Nitrate, its formula is NO3. This NO3 contains 1 nitrogen atom and 3 oxygen atom. Therefore, it will act as a group as NO3. That is why it is called a radical. And this NO3 can accept one electron and then becomes NO3 minus. Therefore, the valency is 1 minus 1. Few more examples are given in the textbook like bicarbonate, hydroxide, acetate. Study, write like this and study.